Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Golden Knight Tarot from Kickstarter. This is the box that it came in. I thought I got gold and black, but I guess I got gold and silver. And I kind of thought that the silver would be like metallic silver, but it's just silver color. So already I was like, ooh. And so let's look at these cards, and I want you to see what you guys think. My dogs are acting out, of course. They're not in order, which makes my skin crawl. Okay, because I like my tarot deck in order when I first buy it, but it's the Tower, the World, Hermit. See, I thought these were going to be like metallic and just usually when I spend this much money on a deck, and I spent a lot of money on it, this deck. This is the back. You know, I expect it to be like a nice deck, like the Weaver Tarot. I spent a lot of money on that deck, but it's thick and it's heavy and it has gilded edges and it has just like this lush feel. I mean, it is worth it. I mean, I thought this would be like metal or I don't know. I guess I had different thoughts about this, and it took a very, very long time to come. So Temperance, Hanged Man, the Star, Moon, Sun, Death, Justice, the Magician, Two of Pentacles. It's literally just in any order. Three of Pentacles, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Page, Knight, Queen, King, Ace, 2, wait a minute, Ace of Pentacles, 2 of Swords. I'm going to have to go through and organize this so I can see if all the cards are even here. 3 of Swords, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the, like... Page, Knight, Queen, King, Ace of Swords. 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands, 4 of Wands, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Page, Knight, Queen, King, Ace. 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, 4 of Cups, 5 of Cups, 6 of Cups, 7 of Cups, 8 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 10, Page, Knight, Queen, King, Ace, High Priestess, Chariot, Empress, Emperor, Devil, Wheel of Fortune, Judgment, Strength, Fool, Lovers, Hierophant, and we're back to the Tower. Dude. Okay. Let me see. How am I going to say this? Because you know I do not like to just trash somebody's work. I understand that this represents somebody's vulnerability and their creativity and their desire to bring into the world something that they envision in their mind, right? But this is not worth the money. Had I paid less for it, I would probably not be so disappointed. But there is a lot lacking here, and I'm pretty upset that I spent this much money. I mean, granted, it was supposed to have like a notebook and stickers and all these other extras that still aren't here because they're having printing problems because of the pandemic. So I can give them some grace about the time frame. Had the deck been magnificent. It's not. It's cheap crap. No, that's not fair. No, that's not fair. It's not. It is, the artwork had a lot of potential. I think that the execution was lacking, and it's not crap, but it's just what I would consider a nice, inexpensive, little fun deck that I would get at like a Spirit Halloween store or something like that. Hot Topic. I don't mean to be a negative Nancy, What are your guys' thoughts? Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.